Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about coal. What is coal? From where do we get coal and how is it formed? Okay.
Coal. Coal is as hard as stone and is black in color. Uses of coal. It is widely used for many purposes. Coal is one of the fuels used for cooking. It is also used in thermal power plant for the production of electricity. It was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine.
Story of coal. Now we are going to discuss the story of coal. How is the coal formed? From where do we get coal? All these things we can discuss. About 300 million years ago, in the low-lying wetland areas, we had dense forest. Okay, due to the natural processes like flood, landslides, etc. Now we all are experienced such type of landslides. That means in Idiki, we all are experienced, isn't it? So due to such natural disasters or process, all these dense forests got buried under the soil. As more and more soil had deposited over these dead plants or dead vegetation, they sank deep and deeper into the soil. Okay, they sank deeper and deeper into the soil. As they go deeper and deeper, the temperature and pressure in that region also increases. So due to this high temperature and pressure, all these dead plants or dead vegetations are converted into coal. And this coal contains only pure carbon. So this slow process will take millions of years, and this slow process of conversion of dead plants or dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. The slow process of conversion of dead plants or dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. And in this process, only the vegetation, only dead vegetation or the remains of vegetation is converted into coal, and hence coal is known as fossil fuel. Coal is also known as fossil fuel because it is formed from the remains of dead vegetations or remains of vegetation. Is it clear? Now you can see a picture of coal mine. This coal is extracted from the soil or from the underground by the process of coal mining. Okay, the coal is extracted from the soil or from the underground by the process of coal mining. When this coal is heated in air or burns, it produces mainly carbon dioxide gas because it is a pure form of carbon. And this coal is processed in industry, and during the processing of coal, many byproducts are formed. They are coke, coal tar and coal gas. So now we can discuss more in detail about them.
Useful products from coal. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coal is used in the manufacture of steel. Coke is also used in the extraction of many metals. Coal tar. It is a thick black liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in our everyday life and in industry like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, and roofing materials. Naphthalene balls. Naphthalene balls used to repel moths and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. Bitumen. Bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar for metalling the roads. Coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants.